children, this is Sarath from Lotus High School. In the previous class we learned binomial into binomial, the multiplication of two binomials. Now in today's class, binomial into trinomial. Okay children, find the product of x plus 2 into 2x minus 10y plus 1, a binomial into trinomial, x into 2x plus 10y plus 1 plus 2 into 2x minus 10y plus 1 is equal to distributive property, you know very well, a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. Like this, here distributive property, x into 2x minus 10y into x, better we keep curly brackets, plus x into 1, close curly brackets, plus 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x minus 2 into 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x minus 2 into 10y, 2 into 10y plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1, 2 into 1. If you want, you can keep brackets. Understand? Here also once again I am explaining. X into 2x minus x into 10y plus x into 1, x into 1, x into 2x minus x into 10y or 10y into x, no problem, plus x into 1 here plus this plus 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x minus 2 into 10y plus 2 into 1 is equal to curly brackets x into 2x, 2x square. Okay, x into 2x, 2x square. Why? Because x into x, x square, exponential formula, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, like that. X into x is equal to x to the power of 1, x to the power of 1, x to the power of 1 plus 1 is equal to x square. X into x, x square. Here 2 is there, 2 into x square, 2x square minus 10 into y into x. We can write 10yx or 10xy, 10xy plus x into 1 x only, close the brackets, plus 2 into 2 into x, 4x, 4x minus 2 into 10, 20, 20 into y, 20y plus 2, plus 2, 2 into 1, 2 is equal to, this is 2x square. Now we can break the brackets, 2x square minus 10xy, minus 10xy plus x. Here plus symbol is there. The sign for 4x is plus as it is. Because of this plus, there is no change, as it is we can write plus 4x minus 20y plus 2 is equal to 2x square only, ek niranjan, only single term, that's what I am writing at 2x square minus 10xy. Find out any minus 10xy family member is there, find out. There is no xy family member, that's why only minus 10xy. Check next x, yes, x, two family members are there, x and 4x. That in the sense 1x plus 4x is equal to 5x. 1x plus 4x is equal to 5x. Here only one y family member is only 1, minus 20y. Constant family member is also only 1, plus 2. That's it. Okay children, binomial into trinomial. 3x into 9x square minus 6x plus 4 plus 2 into 9x square minus 6x plus 4. Here 3x into distributive property, 3x into 9x square, 3x into 6x 3x into 4 plus this plus I am writing plus 2 into 9x square, 2 into 9x square, this minus 2 into 6x, 2 into 6x, and this plus 2 into 4 curly brackets. If you want, you can keep a small brackets here. So is equal to 3 into 9 into x into, actually here I am explaining, listen, here I am explaining 3 into x into 9x square, that is nothing but 3 into x into 9 into x square. 3 9s are 27, x into x square x cube, x into x square x cube. That's why 3 9s are 27, x into x square x cube. This exponential formula x cube minus 3 6 are 18, x into x square plus 3 into x into 4. Here I am explaining 3 into x into 4. 3 into 4 into x, 12 into x. I am writing 12 into x plus again 2 into 9 into x square. 2 9s are 18 x square minus 2 into 6x 12x plus 2 4s are 8. Close the brackets. Now break the brackets. 27x cube minus 18x square plus 12x. You can break directly. Why? Because here plus symbol is there as it is. The sign for 18x square is plus. That's what as it is. 18x square minus 12x plus 8 is equal to x cube family member. Only here x cube family member x to 27x cube. Only x cube family member. Only one member is there. X square family there are two members. X family there are two members, and constant family single ek Niranjan. Here x cube also ek Niranjan. 27x cube minus, actually this is minus 18x square and this is plus 18x square. We can cancel because minus 18x square plus 18x square is equal to 0. Like that 12x and minus 12x plus 12x and minus 12x we can cancel. Here also 0. The finally 27x cube plus 8 is the answer. Number 3. Again binomial into trinomial. Binomial is x minus 2, trinomial is x square plus 6x plus 7. X of x square plus 6x plus 7 curly bracket minus 2 of x square plus 6x plus 7 curly brackets is equal to, again I am not writing one more step, directly I am multiplying x into x square, x into x square, x into x square is equal to x cube. Here x into x square is equal to x cube, x into x square is equal to x cube. I am writing that x cube plus next one x into 6x. X into 6x is nothing but 6 into x exponential formula 6x square, 6x square plus x into 7x. For second one is x into 6x over. So x into 7, x into 7, 7x, x into 7, 7x, x into 7, 7x. Now again 2 into x square, you know very well, 2x square, 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 into 6x, 2 into 6x is equal to 12x plus the same plus symbol will come plus 12x. Again 2 into 7, 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14 is equal to, now break the brackets, x cube as it is you can write, why? Because in front of this the curly brackets there is no symbol, this is plus x cube plus 6x square plus 7x. The sign for 2x square is actually plus. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 2x square. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 12x. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 14 is equal to x cube, only one family member, x square, two family members, 6x square and minus 2x square, x, two family members, and constant only one family member, x cube only. 6x square minus 2x square. 6x square minus 2x square is equal to 4x square. 4x square. 4x plus 4x square plus 4x square plus 4x square. Next, plus 7x minus 12x plus here x cube. Here 6x square minus 2x square is equal to 4x square. 7x minus 12x. 7x minus 12x is equal to 7x minus 12x. That is nothing but 7 minus 12 is equal to minus 5. That's 5 minus 5x. Minus 5x. The last one is only constant. The answer is x cube plus 4x square minus 5x minus 14. Number 4. Again one more example. 2x plus 3 into 5x square minus 4x plus 9 is equal to 2x into 5x square minus 4x plus 9 plus 3 into 5x square minus 4x plus 9. 2x into this trinomial and 3 into plus 3 into the trinomial. The plus will be here. Better you keep curly brackets. Is equal to 2x, again distributive property, 2x into 5x square. Here I am multiplying 2x into 5x square. 2 into 5 into x square is equal to 10 into x cube. Here exponential form, x into x square, x cube. Why? Because x to the power of 1 into x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1 plus 2, x to the power of 3. So 10x cube minus second one 2x into 4x. 2x into 4x. 2x into 4x. 2 into 4 into x 8x square. 8x square plus 2x into 9. 2x into 9 is equal to 2 into 9 into x is equal to 18x plus 18x plus again 3 into 5x square. Directly I am writing 3 into 5 15. 15x square minus this minus 3 into 4x. 3 into 4x 12x and 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Break the brackets. As you know already, this here no sign in the sense plus. So 10x cube minus 8x square plus 18x. Here also plus symbol is there. Break the brackets. Here the sign for 15x square is plus. That's why as it is plus 15x square minus 12x plus 27 is equal to here x cube family member and x square family member. Only x cube, only one family member. X square two family members. X family members are 2. Constant only single ek niranjan. So minus 10x cube. Here minus 8x square plus 15x square. Here I am writing minus 8x square plus 15x square. That is nothing but plus 7x square. Plus 7x square because minus 18 plus 15. Minus 18 plus 15 plus 7x square. Here plus 18x minus 12x. Plus 18x minus 12x. 18 minus 12, you know very well. 18 minus 12 is equal to 6x. Plus only the left one is 27. This is the answer. Minus 10x cube plus 7x square plus 6x plus 27. If you multiply that binomial into trinomial, this is the answer. X minus 2 into minus 9x square plus 5x plus 2 binomial into trinomial. X of minus 9x square plus 5x plus 2 curly brackets minus 2 of minus 9x square plus 5x plus 2 close curly brackets is equal to, again here, x into minus 9x square I am doing here, x into minus 9x square minus 9 into x square is equal to minus 9 into x cube. For this answer is minus 9 into x cube. Again this plus symbol. X into 5x we know very well. 5x into 5x. X into 5x is nothing but 5 into x, 5x square plus 5x square. Again x into 2. X into 2 is nothing but 2x plus 2x. Now minus 2 into minus 9x square. 2 into minus 9x square. That is nothing but 2 into minus 9 into x square. 2 9s are 18. And 2 into minus 9, that's why minus 18x square. Here I am writing minus 18x square. Again 2 into 5x. 2 into 5x is nothing but, anyhow this is plus symbol. 2 into 5x is nothing but 10x. 2 into 5x plus 10x. Again 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. The last one, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Is equal to, now this is a trinomial. In this, in front of this curly bracket there is no symbol. That's what, that is nothing but plus. As it is you can write, break the brackets, 9x cube plus 5x square plus 2x. Yes, no minus is there, very dangerous. Because of this minus will be plus 18x square. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 10x. Because of this minus, this plus will be minus 4. Is equal to, again family members, only x cube, only one family member, and x square, two family members, and x family, here also there 2x family members and only one constant. Let us solve. Minus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 18x square plus 5x square plus 5x square plus 18x square is nothing but 5 plus 18, 23. 5 plus 18, 23. 23x square. I am writing plus 23x square. Next, plus 2x minus 10x. Plus 2x minus 10x. Plus 2x minus 10x. That is nothing but 2 minus 10. 2 minus 10 is equal to minus 8. 8x minus 8x minus 8x. Still only one number is there, minus 4. So therefore the answer is minus 9x cube plus 23x square minus 8x minus 4. The question number 6, 3p minus 2 into p square plus p minus 2. Let us multiply again binomial trinomial. Is equal to 3p into p square plus p minus 2. This is minus 2 into, again, p square plus p minus 2. Curly brackets, keep curly brackets, curly brackets, curly brackets. Is equal to 3p into p square. 3p into p square. 3 here exponential formula, p to the power of 1 into p square is equal to pq. E to the power of m into e to the power of n is equal to e to the power of m plus n. 1 plus 2, that's why q, pq. 3pq 3pq plus 3p into p 3p into p 3p into p is nothing but 3p square plus 3p square minus 3p into 2 minus 3p into 2 3 into p into 2 3 into 2 into p 6p 6p minus 6p close the brackets minus 2 into p square 2 into p square 2p square 2 into p square 2p square 2 into p plus 2 into p 2p minus 2 into 2 minus 4 is equal to, now break the brackets because there are no symbol in the sense plus only, 3pq plus 3p square minus 6p, this is plus sign, because of this minus this will be, because of this minus this plus will be minus 2p square, because of this minus this plus will be minus 2p, because of this minus will be plus 4. First I want to find out the family members. One is PQ family, yes, only one member. P square family, there are two members in the P square family, and P family, there are two members in the P family. Just let us simplify. Only 3pq 3p square minus 2p square is equal to, you know very well, 3p square minus 2p square is equal to 1p square. Why? Because 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, that is nothing but plus 1, plus 1p square, or we can write only p square, and minus 6p minus 2p, minus 6p minus 2p is equal to minus 6p minus 2p minus 8p, minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 minus 8p, and the leftover 4. The answer is 3pq plus 1p square minus 8p plus 4. Question number 7. Just will try, always we are doing a binomial into trinomial. Let us do a trinomial into binomial. Or the question is 4q square minus 2q plus 8 into 2q plus 5. Both are same, but now trinomial into binomial. 4q square into 2q plus 5 minus 2q into 2q plus 5 plus 8 into 2q plus 5. Curly brackets, curly brackets, curly brackets. Now multiply 4q square into 2q. 4q square into 2q. 4q square into 2q. That is nothing but 4 into 2 into q square into q. That is nothing but 4 2s are 8. In exponential formula cube. Then 4q square into 2q is equal to 4q square into 2q is equal to 8q. 8q plus next one is 4q square into 5. 4q square into 5. I will explain here. 4q square into 5. That is nothing but 4 into 5 into q square. 20q square plus 20q square. 20q square. This is completed. Now minus. Again 2q into 2q. 2q into 2q into 2q. 4q square. Now 2q into 2q. 2q into 2q. 2 2s are 4, q into q square. 4q square. Plus 5 into 2q. 4q square. Plus 2q into 5. 2q into 5 already I have written. 2q into 5 is equal to 10q. 10q plus 8 into 2q, 8 into 2 into q, 16q, 16q plus 8 5s are 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40 is equal to, break the brackets here, no symbol in the sense plus, break the brackets, not required. 8 cube plus 20q square, again this is the sign for 4q square is equal to plus, because of this minus, this plus will be minus 4q square, because of this minus, this plus will be minus 10q, okay, over. Now here I have no problem, here plus symbol is there. The sign for 16q is equal to plus, that's what as it is, plus 16q and plus 40 you can write. Now find the family members, q and only one is there, q square, two family members are there, and a q, two family plus 40. Okay, find out the family members, q cube family, q square family, q cube only one member, q square two members, and q family members are 2 and constant family only 1. So 8q cube plus 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. That's why 16q square. 20q square minus 4q square is equal to 16q square. Minus 10q plus 16q. Minus 10 plus 16. 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. Plus 6q plus 40. Discuss again multiplication. Just we'll discuss. So far we discussed binomial to binomial, binomial to trinomial. Now only one example I will explain. Trinomial into trinomial. A plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. So same way, a into a plus b plus c, a into a plus b plus c, plus b into a plus b plus c, plus b into a plus b plus c, plus c into a plus b plus c is equal to curly brackets, curly. Here a into a square, a into a square, plus a into b ab, plus a into c ac. Next, b into a ba, plus b into b square, b into b square, plus b into c bc, plus c into a ca, plus c into b cb, plus c into c square, c into c square, ca cb c square is equal to, break the brackets, everything is positive, a square plus ab plus ac plus this ba we can write ab. Why? Because we are writing in alphabetical order, a b c d like that. Next b square, okay, this is bc only, again alphabetical, c I can write ac, this I can write bc, this is c square. Members, a square only one family member, ab families 2 are there, ab family members 2 family members are there, ac also 2 are there. Next b square only 1, bc also 2 are there, c square only 1. We'll add a square, just we are writing in order, b square plus c square, these two, plus ab plus ab to ab. Next bc, bc plus bc to bc. Next ca or ac, no problem, ca, CA or AC. I can write 2 AC or 2 CA, 2 AC. This is the identity. What is the identity? Finally, I am writing. This is a special product A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C is equal to, this is nothing but A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. I am writing 2AC, 2CA. This is product form A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C. This is A into A square, like that. This is A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. This is a algebraic identity. This is an algebraic identity. Special product. Already we know the special product A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. A minus B square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Like that, some special products are there. This is also one more special product which we'll be using in 9th class. Thank you. Okay, we practiced nearly 9 sums. So all of you practice once again and do the given assignment. Thank you very much.